my mind. All I hear is music, watching your mouth move. Damn, you look stupid. I feel like.
Hey guys, like I told you, time for some music videos. First one's gonna be Danda Nuliwala's Not Guilty music video. Let me just see, it's actually trending on number 12 on the music trending charts. Let's take a look at the description. Not Guilty is the 10th song from Danda Nuliwala's album. The track reflects real struggle, real life struggles, false blame, loyalty, inner strength. With powerful Haryanvi lyrics, Danda talks about standing firm when the whole world is against you. That's very important. Raw emotions, street reality, and faith and family make this song deeply relatable. Okay. Singer is Danda, lyrics composer Danda himself, music Seros, mix and mastered by Ashok. Okay, let's go for it. Captions would be there, then it would be nice for me to understand things much more betterly, but yeah. He's looking young. He's probably young, right? There's no guilt.
जो करे भी नहीं कदे इल्जाम दिए फिरा एक नाम है वो भी बदनाम दिए फिरा एक तू है जो हक में खड़ी है इधर तक बाकी दुनिया खिलाफ है तमाम दिए फिरा जो करे भी नहीं कदे इल्जाम दिए फिरा एक नाम है वो भी बदनाम दिए फिरा एक तू है जो हक में खड़ी है इधर तक बाकी दुनिया खिलाफ है तमाम लिए फिरा रवा टोक के बंदा मैं दूर चवड़ा ते छोरी बंदे दोगले पीछे
has a style when it comes to music videos.
सबरा के चोरी बंदा दो बार मारा काट कबरा ते चोरी थोड़े फसला ते आए लाए असलिया पछोरी थोड़े कतला के लंबे चाल मसलिया पछोरी थोड़े एलवी अमीरी आले डफला मगाले उरा सारी सरिया का ताम झाम लिए फिरा जो करे भी नहीं कदे इल्जाम लिए फिरा एक नाम है वो भी बदनाम लिए फिरा एक
कौन बदनाम कर रहा है यार?
खड़ी है इबे तक बाकी दुनिया खिलाफ है तमाम लिए फिरा
Black is good. Black is good. That's what it is.
आम करने का पूरा फिर काम नहीं अड़ा है एक बोल पर छोरे की गेला गाम भी खड़ा है लोग सोचे बदुआवा गेला मर जावांगे रे मेरी मां बे जीव मेरा राम नहीं मरया है कच्चे घरां वाली पक्या कहना पच दी तरक्की बाबू माड़ा लग गया तू बेना बात करी हकी भाई उस दिन करे थे जमीन गहने रखी आज कामयाब हो गया तो कवे छोरा लकी उन मैं दिराम लिए फिरा तेरे शहर के एमएलए की सलाम लिए फिरा मेरी गेल पड़े छोरे बिस्नु के बतेरे इसे करके या गाटिया मुकाम लिए फिरा जो करे भी नहीं कदे इल्जाम लिए फिरा एक नाम है वो भी बदनाम लिए फिरा एक तू है जो हक में खड़ी है इबे तक बाकी दुनिया खिलाफ है तमाम लिए फिरा जो करे भी नहीं कदे इल्जाम लिए फिरा एक नाम है वो भी बदनाम लिए फिरा एक तू है जो हक में खड़ी है इबे तक बाकी दुनिया खिलाफ है तमाम लिए फिरा कल्ला मंदिरा में चल नहीं चढ़ाया छोरा नर लोटे गंगा के मैं पहला कई जिन मुल्का के फिर रह तू भी जे पाल दी उन मुल्का में डोंकी छोरे मार के आ रहे हैं दिन चारे जवानी आले हमने भी देखे इसलिए थोड़ा नेचर काम लिए फिरा जो करे भी नहीं कदे इल्जाम लिए फिरा एक नाम है वो भी बदनाम लिए फिरा एक तू है जो हक में खड़ी है इबे तक बाकी दुनिया खिलाफ है तमाम लिए फिरा
It's cool. Cool undertones, the whole bit. There are definitely some people who can't stomach the success of Danda, right? Like they are accusing him of the things that he has not done, and then he was like, I had to make a song about this. I'm not guilty. Right? I'm not guilty of any of these charges that you guys are accusing me of. So the whole song is just that. And if anybody knows what are these accusations or what are the claims that other people are making of him that has led to this song, let me know in the comments. I'm interested. There was also parts where he was talking about the land that he almost lost and how he has built himself up to this with all these cars and matches that we see today. It's all pure hard work. It's not an overnight success. He did not rob a bank. This is something which is hard earned. And you have to just let him live, guys. Who are these people who is not letting Danda be happy, guys? I'm against them. If you agree with me, don't forget to like the video and give a lot of support and love for him in the comments so he can just stay happy. Wait, before we go to the next tag, let's just read some of the comments. बिना search किए किस किस को मिल गया? Yeah, even when I just searched songs, this one came up. So that's how I thought, okay, let's react to this. It had a lot of views. Cross-checked. One of you did have suggested this, so it was an easy choice. Punjab में सिद्धू मूसेवाला, Heartbreak King. Haryana में Danda. Yeah, it's true. These two are some of the legends that we have checked on the channel. This song deserves 350 plus million views. It's a great song. Before Insta Gang, there was Danda who was gaming it up. Sick music videos, by the way. I forgot to mention that the music video was sick. 10 से ज्यादा बार सुनने वाले अटेंडेंस लगाओ. यहाँ पे भी सुन लेना 10 से 12. बिश्नोई मुक्ति दाम मुकाम. बिश्नोई के बारे में क्या था वो लिरिक, वो मुझे कोई समझाना कमेंट्स में. I didn't catch it. Danda's lyrics, Danda's voice. And the beats is kind of consistent. Like the way the music videos that we have checked out of is, it all has the same vibe. Like it has the same kind of beat and vibe, but he's very cool. अमीर सोसाइटी में रहने वाले वो गरीब को कुछ नहीं समझते हैं. बिल्कुल सही बात उठाई भाई ने. He didn't mention that he is coming from humble beginnings and people don't like him, the ones that are already in a better place, right? Like they don't want him to reach them. Maybe he's not from a better background or just insecurities, guys. Ignore it. Audience from Rajasthan attendance here. सारे audience जहाँ से भी हो, like the video. आवाज जोर की है चोरे की, जोर का आवाज सुनाई देता है. तो हमने सुन लिया. Let's go to the next one. Al Seher Al Hindi Jadugar. Singer is Yo-Yo Honey Singh. Music Yo-Yo Honey Singh. Lyrics by Nanku, Homi Dilliwala and Karun. Audio mix by Vinod Verma. Mastering Homi Dilliwala. Album's name is 51 Glorious Days. Music label T-Series. Cool. Directed by Mihir Gulati. Concept Yo-Yo. Yo, let's see this one. Turn on the captions and go. Is it gonna be Al Habibi? Al Hindi Habibi? Yo-Yo looks even hotter as he gets older. This man, he's got the surma on his eyes. Let's go higher. He is the magician here.
And you a shorty girl. Asahera Hindi, मेरा moniker. मैं historical, ये मेरे chronicles. तेरी रागों में बहूं मैं जैसे chemicals. दुनिया हिला दी अब ये आगे पीछे भागे. Middle East आओ कुछ दिखाने हैं नजारे. जहाज में सफर, views बढ़िया आ रहे. महीने मुझ पे ये views बढ़िया आ रहे. करोड़ की नहीं अरबों की करूँ मैं डीले. नजरिए सभी पे मेरी उड़ती है जिले. घोट के दिला तो जिंदगी ले तू जी ले. एक काम कर, तू बस feel ले, 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 तू बस feel ले. आज तुझे लाल तो तुझे हौले से थाम लूं. लगे थोड़ी न दान तो आ मैं तुझे संभाल लूं. अब आके कर बंद और तू यो का ध्यान कर. मैंने सुना तेरी नींदें उड़ गई अच्छा लगा जानकर. ये ले फूक मार प्रकट है रोलेक्स चार. दिल्ली से क्यूबा अप एंड डाउन लेने को सिगार. मैं जादूगर पैसे रुपए कर दूं दिनार. मैं ही अंतरराष्ट्रीय विलेजर देसी कलाकार. जादूगर
I'm sorry ladies, I'm just focusing on Yo-Yo. I can't see anybody else. घूम रहा है मेरा सर घूम रहा है. Let's trap.
The magician from India.
He is a magician from India. It's been a long time I've heard one of Yo-Yo's songs, so that's the reason why you saw the smile on my face. I was excited. I was nice, bro. Looks clean. His all white look, like his hair, his beard, and all, with the Al Habibi Jadugar of India. So nice. The chicks in the background were dancing and all that, but I'm sorry. But on this one, our Jadugar had overshadowed them. Hard to look at anybody else when you know Yo-Yo is doing the yo-yo right now. It's like, I'm completely in his control right now. Right, he can do anything and he has done some weird jadus on me. Guys, the whole video we could smell the Middle East. Let it be the smoke. I could smell something. Maybe it was just the magic that he had applied on me and you. We heard the best of his chronicles once again, and I'm glad the stupid insect, I'm just gonna do something to it. He irritated as hell. So his chronicles has definitely reached each and every one of us. Can you see it? Can you see that insect? Fuck it, I'm not even speaking anymore. Fuck this. I'm leaving, guys. Let's just read some of the comments that I'm out. बादशाह ने बेवजह ही सोए शहर को जगा दिया, उड़ा दिया बोलो, उड़ा दिया. He was literally flying in this video. 20 million target complete, next 25 million. यहाँ पे भी थोड़ा like करके जाओ यार, सिर्फ वहाँ पे नहीं. Toxic lyrics plus Honey Singh swag equals dangerous combo. Brothers like Jadugar, 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 Jadugar. With the surma and all, he was giving the eyes like, वश में हो कि नहीं कि ज्यादा करो और. Come back नहीं हो रहा. No. Trending से हट ही नहीं रहा. Yes, Yo-Yo is just, he is love of everybody, right? I am from the land of Kama Sutra. क्या? ये कहाँ से आ गया? First Indian hip hop artist to shoot at Egypt. No wonder the Middle Eastern vibe is strong, right? Cool guys, that's all. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this reaction, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Give a lot of love for both of these songs in the comments. I'll see you on the next one. Let me know what else you want to hear, watch. Do it, okay? So bye.
No filter, I got no filter.